Spring break trout fishing edition. Let's go. This is great. Let's see. Get me while I'm sitting. Yeah. Beautiful. A lot of kids fishing today. It's great. It's spring break here in New Jersey. Oh, I just realized I don't have my net.
Bruh.
How about that? Could be a problem with trout. You're gonna want a net. Very delicate fish. Oh, I hooked myself. It's like the Joe's got one. What do you got there, Big Joe? Trout! Hey, puppies! I know. Here's your spot.
Fish on.
Trout. Again, with no net. Yeah, there he is. Let's go, Trout. Yes, sir. Look at that nice guy. And again, like Joe was just saying, it's amazing how these little trout get all 3 treble hooks up in there. There it is. I was also saying it's amazing. These are pretty top predators. These trout. And they do have small teeth, but such a small fish. Let's see if I could show you their teeth there. Hello. Oh,
Bruh.
You know what? Maybe we'll give him I think he wants a worm. We'll send him off with a snack. That's our thing. We'll send him off with a snack. All right. See ya. Let's go.
I'm just digging for fools.